Yo, I said, I wish we could have went back in time, not too long ago, just 30 seconds for my mind to have put a thumbs up on that last beat, cause it was kinda fine. But yo, anyways, many say that the haze I roll got me blazing and out of control. I'm like, yo, what's the day? Do you really want me to go to the days end? No, alright, back to the show. The Crows came here to perform once more. Alright, back, it's raw. Hardcore metaphor war spitting to y'all. See, the lyrics I'm giving to y'all enters y'all like spiritual lemonade. Start hearing y'all and hearing y'all, and then my AK start clearing y'all. All y'all down the hall walking, that's like 50 niggas getting down and they fall. It's a green light, not for all, just for me, it seems. Cause I'm going this way, it's obscene. But my mind's blowing. Yo, this is hot boy for me. Why am I going this way? Goddamn, this nigga be acting like fucking beef. Jordan, what the fuck? I'm not even kidding, what the fuck with the blunt? Yo, that shit was kinda fun. That shit got me twisted. Like, yo, now I'm chilling. But either way, this route was fucked up. Cause who else is right there? My mom coming out right here. Sometimes she come out around here. Not really, cause that'll mean she going down there. But yo, either way we coming up here. I mean over there. We getting farther than there. We go. Once we end up, that fucking goes. And that was the plot of the whole story. Cause that's what we gonna do. Not yet, but 2 minutes times 2 ahead of you. Yo, what the fuck you wanna do? It's incredible, complexable, intellectuals too. Oh yeah, like I said, we coming to take your vegetables too. Scarecrows, no scarecrows. What the fuck you talking about, man? Blah, there it goes. I gotta make a fucking left. These niggas know I don't fucking test around and play around, put the pen on the test. Then I do the rest, let my niggas do the rest. I take a shit off, shirt off, and let bitches do the rest. Then bitch.